What is up, guys? Today we'll be showing you a full farm tour. Let's get into it. Oh, we're in reverse. So, we're coming out of this trail here. If you go up that hill back there, we have a big four-wheeler and dirt bike track up there. So as you're coming out of here, first off, you see an old hog barn. The person who owned this before us, they had hogs in there, but we don't anymore. Now we just store a bunch of trailers and stuff in there. There's some old tools that we don't use really anymore. There's our spray tanks. We use them a lot. They're very handy. There's some bins. There's our auger. There's our new shop. That's very handy too. Another bin. There's another shed here. But we are going to move that shed over there by where those bins are. We're going to tear those bins down and put new ones up and move that over there. So that all right there will be empty. Got another shed over here. Doesn't really get used much, just for the spray trailer. Another old shed over there. Store the MacDon in there. So I want to take a minute and tell you guys a story about this little lot right up here. So our house, we used to have a house there. So we built that shed and everything. There was a house right there. But the river's just back there. See that little thing right there? Yeah, it's back there. And the river flooded so bad that it got up to here. And it flooded our whole house. And so yeah, we kind of had to tear that down. And so now it's just a lot. This corn did really good this year. It usually doesn't do that good. Here's the backside. Got a tillage tool in here. You usually store a corn head in here. Head wagon. So if you guys watched my last video with full shop tour, you would see what was in there. So I don't have to do that in this video. Let's head in here. Take a look at these vehicles and stuff in here. Got a snowplow. Got a hoe. A big batwing mower. Our John Deere's 4760, which we plant beans with. Another John Deere 4630. So this is kind of funny. This is a bale of hunting blind, which we made it look like a hay bale. And we've shot a couple deer out of this. Got the old disc back here. If we come back here, got the UniFirst seed tender. This thing is pretty handy. It works really nice. There's the shop. Pretty nice. It's pretty empty right now, but yeah. It's really windy out today. boy. That's a big burst of wind there. That didn't sound good. Let's take a look in here. So we got the John Deere Z9950M with the no flat tires. Those do a good job. Got the spray trailer here. That's pretty handy during the spring and fall. Got a little gator. Use it for spraying around the farm. Got my grandma's golf cart. She drives that around a lot. So that's it in there. Got a little junk pile back here. There's our fuel tanks and diesel tanks. Those are very useful. So yeah, we got this auger here. I don't quite know how long it is, but it's pretty long. And I'm sure you guys were wondering what this trailer's for. So, if you guys may know, in the past I've posted a video with our hipper in it. And so a hipper, what it does is it makes big hips in the ground, and they're raised, and it helps with water damage, so then your crops don't drown out. And it's like 40 foot going down the road behind the tractor. And so we bought this trailer, and what it does is you take these chains off, and it lays down flat to the ground, and we could just set the hipper down right on it, so then we wouldn't have to block traffic going down the road. We haven't used it yet because we just got it this winter. Look how crazy that is. It grew into the tree. It's pretty cool. Alright, got a couple more things to show you guys. Got some pipe, got an old plow, got that old thing. We don't really use that much at all. I don't know what that is. We use that to spread rock out around the farm. That we only use on the inroads if we rut it up. And then that we pull around on the back of the turbo till during the spring. Let's take a look in here. So right here we got a track for our tractor, which is on the grain cart right now. A bunch of old junk here. We got our big trailer, long trailer, our SureTrack trailer. We got another old trailer back here. There's an old Cyclone tank for Case IH planter. Dirt mover, an old ditch sprayer, an old boat, a couple more trailers, a manure spreader. Yeah. Pretty cool. Old Blizzard. So, my phone's about to die, but maybe later I'll give you guys a shop tour up at our house, so you can see all our snowmobiles and stuff. So yeah, I'll show you guys that sometime. It might not be today, but I will. There's an old spray hauler. There's an old wagon. A loader for our one of our tractors. Our 4320 in the shop there. Got an old Allis Chalmers with a old Woods bush hog. Got a Rhino plow. Another Allis Chalmers. Little trailer. There's our gas tanks. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And please drop a like below this video, and please comment your favorite video that I've made. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.